In this video we will learn kitchen supplies in English. Spatula. Spatula. Ladle. Ladle. Tongs. Tongs. Whisk. Whisk. Peeler. Peeler. Grater. Grater. Colander. Colander. Sieve. Sieve. Cutting board. Cutting board. Rolling pin. Rolling pin. Knife. Knife. Fork. Fork. Spoon. Spoon. Measuring cup. Measuring cup. Measuring spoons. Measuring spoons. Mixing bowl. Mixing bowl. Mortar and pestle. Mortar and pestle. Garlic press. Garlic press. Strainer. Strainer. Potato masher. Potato masher. Pizza cutter. Pizza cutter. Bottle opener. Bottle opener. Can opener. Can opener. Grilling tongs. Grilling tongs. Basting brush. Basting brush. Ice cream scoop. Ice cream scoop. Soup bowl. Soup bowl. Serving spoon. Serving spoon. Tawa. Tawa. Pressure cooker. Pressure cooker. Frying pan. Frying pan. Saucepan. Saucepan. Stock pot. Stock pot. Backing tray. Backing tray. Oven mitts. Oven mitts. Dish rack. Dish rack. Tandoor skewer. Tandoor skewer. Chapati stand. Chapati stand. Masala box. Masala box. Tea strainer. Tea strainer. Water jug. Water jug. Storage container. Storage container. Cutting shears. Cutting shears. Rice spoon. Rice spoon. Egg slicer. Egg slicer. Lemon squeezer. Lemon squeezer. Butter knife. Butter knife. Gravy boat. Gravy boat. Chopsticks. Chopsticks. Rolling board. Rolling board. Grill pan. Grill pan. Thanks for watching.